Oh, you're back!
Yeah, totally back.
Hey, Dark Angel! Dark Angel! Oh, Dark Angel! Hey, Dark Angel! What's up, Dark Angel?
Hey,
Dark
Shadow.
Angel. Hi, Dark Angel. I just one-tapped the murderer again, bro.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. She basically got herself killed because she went in the containers and I shot her.
Oh, yeah.
And I still didn't think that I was going to be able to kill her.
I'm
the
innocent.
dangerous person in this server. I feel like you're the sheriff.
Nope, I'm innocent.
Okay. I was hoping you was the sheriff.
Purple-haired dude is the murderer. You're standing right in the line of fire, you idiot.
I just stood there because I was trying to see if the gun was there.
No, the gun isn't there.
Because I seen something green and I thought it was the gun.
No, it's called a dead body.
Oh. Oh wait, he has that effect?
Yeah,
Okay.
he does.
Yeah, I just thought it was the gun. What do you think? What do you think about me having a $7,000 face? A $17,000 face?
I don't care.
It's a fake face. I got the fake one.
Okay, and I don't care.
Like if... Oh. Okay.
I like this boy avatar.
Needs a little more style, but... Hey, you do got the WS10 merch on. That's all that matters. I do like WS10. He's cool.
Yeah.
Have you ever watched WS10 before?
No. I haven't.
Then how do you know he's cool? If you haven't watched him?
I said cool to what you said. I didn't say he was cool.
Oh, he's British.
Of course he is.
I don't know why, but most of the MM2 YouTubers are all British.
Oh?
Hmm? Some of them.
Okay, he don't know that I'm filming right now, so he's talking like he's not being filmed. Which is, it's okay
Wait,
because
you never traded for the witch brew?
me and him are friends. No, I haven't.
What were they going to give you?
Friends in IRL. A weapon I already had.
Hey,
Yeah.
you don't lag anymore.
Yeah, I don't lag.
Why don't we go over here?
He keeps on interrupting me.
It's a bits of research facility.
Oh, factory. Come on, not facility. Sweet facility.
Okay.
What the hell?
He keeps on. I don't remember where I was. Oh yeah,
Innocent.
I'm sheriff.
But now you get to save everybody.
More like kill myself in the crossfire.
You know, please jump up this.
Maori.
Thank you.
Maori. Low.
I heard a sound.
I hear people dying. Who will be dying?
know it's not me because I was by you. I was next to you.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it's the bacon.
Huh?
Where is my aim?
Why don't you come over here and give me the gun?
Oh my.
There's no way. I don't believe this. Come on. No.
Oh my god! What is wrong with my aim?
Okay.
No, I'm going to kill this dude.
Okay.
As soon as I learn how to.
Help me! Help me!
I can't help you. Oh my god. God! Damn it!
Got him.
I can't shoot with the crane.
Creep? Where's the creep? What?
He's exploiting.
I can't shoot
He's
with the
exploiting.
crane.
What the hell, dude? Come on, dude. Not exploiting. Come on. Yo, dude, can you stop exploiting? Yo, dude, can you stop exploiting, dude? Come on.
I'm turning everybody mute
Really?
because they're annoying. Like I was trying to start for a millionth time. He won't mind that I'm recording him without his permission because we are
I
besties.
can't believe you
And
just
I'm
did
always
not hit that bird.
on
He
his
was not
YouTube
even
channel.
jumping. He was walking in a straight line.
Well, guess what?
What?
He decided to give me a second chance.
What do you mean?
I'm sheriff again.
Oh my god.
He decided to give me a
Oh my
second
God.
chance. I'm gonna die.
Why? Uh-oh.
Okay.
Well, I'm right here. If you would love to drop the gun.
No.
Oh my god, you're gonna die. You're gonna get us all killed.
Yeah.
You're gonna damn us all.
I just need to know which one's the murderer, and I'm gonna try my best to shoot them. Get away from me. Okay. The murderer left.
You didn't get that chance after all, did you?
No, I didn't.
Well, Nicholas is saving your whole career by not giving you another chance.
Yeah.
Can you people stop jumping on my head?
By the way, guys, sorry about the background noises. Ugh. Yeah, sorry about the
It's
background
funny when
noises.
I get to do that and just watch how other people just struggle to get up here. What do you need?
Oh,
Hello.
for the
Alright.
thousands of times
Give me
I
sheriff.
tried.
Give me innocent then. Okay.
Why? Why?
You're a murderer, ain't you? Are you a murderer?
Yes.
Oh god. Alright, a stab? I wonder if the gun dropped.
Nope, the gun didn't drop, I don't think.
Crazy chicken. Somebody just got called a crazy chicken.
Who?
Little?
And I fell again! Of course I fell again. Why
Yeah.
wouldn't I fall? Just why wouldn't I?
I heard a step.
You did. My phone's.
Yeah.
I heard a gunshot. I saw the person trying to shoot. Hey! I think I'm lagging. Yeah, thank you, because I think I was lagging. I think. Or she had that thing. I don't know.
Yeah, stick man.
My phone's
No, you
about
wasn't
to
lagging.
die.
Where he's using a chroma is making the server lag. You're fine.
Okay.
That's the thing about chromas. They always make the server lag a lot.
Okay, my phone's about to die, so I probably won't be filming for very long. Yeah. Sorry about the background noises, like... Sorry.
You're AFK.
What?
Oh, I thought you were AFK. I'm innocent. Like
Finally, I'm
always.
innocent.
I'm gonna kill you because I'm the murderer.
Go ahead.
I feel like you're gonna kill me. Like, I feel like you're just joking, like that time when I said I was gonna kill you and then you just killed me. Oh, gun dropped already.
I guess the gun dropped already.
Oh, damn. Damn. This man just got... Damn. Damn. He's got... By level 43. Good job. No, I didn't get the stairs. Stairs? What are stairs? Never heard of them.
I'm probably gonna have to get off of here soon because my phone's about to die and my charger is nowhere near me.
Okay.
But we can still play for like a couple more rounds.
Okay.
Innocent.
As always. Are you sheriff?
No, I'm innocent.
Why am I so skinny? Holy hell. My arms are so damn skinny.
How did they win?
I'm leaving the server.
Yes, we are leaving.
That was a hacker.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. I feel like when every server I go to, yeah, I was about to say, every single server I go to, there's like 3 or 4 level 100s. Every server you go to, I'm the only level 100.
Okay, what?
Please don't say it.
What, Shadow?
You gotta leave.
No, I'm not saying that.
Oh, what was you about to say then?
Nothing, never mind. I was about to say, what server are we going to? What thingy? What map? And the murderer.
You're a murderer? No, you might actually have a chance. Just don't kill me first, please.
Little. Why? Oh. I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to kill that little dude, but I ended up killing you. Accidentally. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Shadow.
I was right by him. How do you not know if you're right by the guy you're about to kill, you're also going to kill the other person too?
I'm sorry.
That's why I said wait till you try to kill him, because I'm going to try to get away.
Okay. Where are the other people? There's another person.
I'm telling you.
Damn. Okay. There's only 2 people left.
Well, my level 13. How the hell do I get like the little check things? Like they got like the dashes in their thing.
The what?
Like I'm level 100, and you know, like, okay, if you
Oh, the
look
little-
up at the very, like the person at the very top, there's an X, and then they're numbered.
I don't know.
I wonder how to get that.
You got a problem with small people?
Okay, well, I'm gonna go.
Sheriff, innocent as always.
I'll maybe start recording again. I don't know. Probably not though. So yeah. Bye.
No.